recent years, there's been a rapid increase in interest in psychobiology as a means of deepening our understanding of how psychotherapy works. This is providing a new dimension to disciplines that have traditionally rested on a philosophical understanding of the mind, and this is enabling us to see our emotional and relational life in much richer biological detail. Although much of the research that underpins this development of theory was undertaken in the 20th century, the synthesis of these findings is emerging now, providing us with the demanding but fascinating challenge of seeing how this knowledge can be applied to psychotherapy, theory and technique.
Trust is all on the right side.
This module provides access to 22 video talks recorded by Confer. The speakers cover the most up-to-date views on how neurobiology can be integrated into our understanding of how emotions function and the implications for therapeutic change. Thanks to the work of innovative synthesis of theory, our enriched biological understanding of intersubjective resonance is leading to a revised view of how such insights are relevant and how psychotherapeutic change occurs.
Because positive human relationships release opioids in the brain.
Dysregulation is seen by many as a major component of a range of mental disorders, and our increasingly refined understanding of the nervous system and developmental processes is guiding us towards new techniques that support affect regulation. Attunement, for example, is now understood to be a biologically underpinned process, which is the basis for intersubjective empathy. This insight can be used to develop a relationship in a safe and effective way towards a firmly held, relational and attachment-based holistic practice. Such joined-up thinking is part of a new paradigm in psychotherapy that is steadily progressing towards a more complete integration of mind-body theory. Our editorial view is that neuroscience has the potential to improve psychotherapy technique, but its use must be based on strong evidence. This module thus contains scientifically based summaries of neurobiology. For example, the neurobiological basis of core emotional processes. These summaries are referenced so that you can drill down to the source of much of this information. The development of the subject has been illustrated to show you its history on a timeline, and slides are added to films wherever possible to give you another layer of references. We are confident that this module contains a solid theoretical foundation for being a psychotherapist with a grasp of the application of neurobiology to psychotherapy, but also rich additional content for those who already have an active interest in this subject. Depending on your learning style, you can take out an individual subscription, or you can set up an institutional account to start a study group with colleagues, or a teaching license for sharing the resources with your students. New technology means that you can keep abreast of such central developments in our field from the comfort of your home or office whenever you want. And we hope that you will enjoy this resource.